How to fix Steam slow download speed. So if you want to fix your Steam slow download speed, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Steam. Once you open up your Steam, you need to go with the top left, which has that Steam option, and then you need to go with settings. Now under settings here, you will have the download option. Click on downloads. And once you're under your downloads, you just need to simply go with your download region and then change your region. And after changing your region, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply go with limit download speed. Make sure that it is turned off, because if it is turned on, it will limit the download speed. So make sure that it is turned off and just check all of the other settings. Once you've done with it, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just right click on your taskbar and go with the task manager. Once you're under your task manager, you can just simply go with the CPU section. Just go with processes and performance. Now here on the bottom, you may have an option of Open Resource Monitor. But if you don't have the option of Open Resource Monitor, then on the top left, you may have the 3 bar. You can just simply go with it. You may have the option on your 3 bar. You can just simply search for the Resource Monitor. Or you can just simply go with search, and under search, you can search for the Resource Monitor and click on it. It will open up your Resource Monitor. It will be like this. Technically, this part right here will show you all of your applications that are currently running, and basically you can remove or end the task, or rather remove them or disable them, and let Steam be the only one running. So as you can see that I have Chrome running in the background, or any other processes running in the background, right? So what you can do is you just need simply go and click on the option or click on it and then go with end task. Right click on it, and here you will have end process or end task. You just need simply go and end the process and your problem will be fixed. Make sure only Steam is running. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.